local time is approximately 9:10. For your safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened and carry nets put away until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins as items tend to move during flight. Your checked bags will be at the baggage claim area. I'll get a specific carousel number to you when we open the door, if I can. If you have a receipt that says claim at gate, you may pick up your items outside the front boarding door. If you need any help getting off the plane, feel free to remain seated after we've arrived at the gate so we may better assist you. Again, to help maintain physical distancing during deplaning, it is very important to remain seated until the travelers in the row in front of you have gathered their belongings and made their way up the aisle before you do the same. Thank you for your cooperation. We hope you and your loved ones remain healthy and safe. For information on connecting flights and back claim, you may check airport monitors or download our free JetBlue Mobile app. Be sure to visit JetBlue.com to learn about our TrueBlue loyalty program, where you can earn points on all of your flights with today's flight. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially this Boston-based crew, thank you for choosing JetBlue today. We hope you have a great rest of your weekend and a wonderful week ahead.